Service in Albany has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Litchfield County, southwestern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Dutchess County in east central New York, southeastern Columbia County in east central New York, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Ancram, or 16 miles southwest of Great Barrington, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Sheffield and Ashley Falls around 2:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include White House Crossing, Uncrumdale, Sodom, East Sheffield, Hartsville, Concord, Wrangham Village, Gilmora, Weed Mines, and Spencer Corners. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.